dealt and that's real shit. Go 0 to 100 like real quick. I got more will than Will Smith. Just starting out, but I killed this, so let's build this. Listen while I'm telling my story. Had a couple rough years, but still I'm destined for glory. Just trying to work in the...
Real quick, just to update you on the mod, the 2013 Mustang 5.0 with a cold air intake, axle bag exhaust, road tuned by Dynoless on E50, stock injectors and stock fuel pump. It's racing a 2014 Camaro SS with a K&N cold air intake, China headers, cat delete, and also road tuned by Dynoless on a E60 fuel mix. It's a pretty close race. It all comes up to driver honesty. They're matched up pretty evenly.
You want to do a roll?
Yeah, because he's fucking gonna spin. Yeah, I'm gonna spin.
But he wants to do just a dig.
Okay, let's go up.
From here to the second semi.
The rubber right here. Go to the rubber.
All right. Oh, there's rubber right there. Look.
Oh, but only on mine, huh? Well, he has rubber too?
No, he doesn't.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, a little bit. Little patch. Hey, you honk, because he's on two-step.
Okay.
You didn't hook, you were slipping the whole time.
I did?
Nah, you're slipping that shit.
Ah. I did, huh?
Yeah. It's slipped even more than you. Let's do a roll.
We do a roll.
Yeah, roll.
Turn around and then we'll start from the stop sign and right when we're getting the rubber, second gear, we go.
Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah.